Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. In today's lesson, we are going to learn to use the rhythm of sound to speak the sound of words. We are going to form words that rhyme with the blended letters A, N. Some words that rhyme have the same lettering at the end of the word. The words that we form will rhyme because they follow this rule of having the same lettering at the end of the word. In forming words today, we are going to put one vowel and one or more consonants together to form a blend, which will allow us to form many words using that blend. What is a blend? A blend is two or more letters put together that when we sound out the letters together, they can either make two separate sounds or they can make a whole new sound. In this lesson, we are going to form 2 to 3 letter words where the letters that are put together to form the words will make separate sounds. And as we sound out the words, we will hear their separate sounds. Let us begin forming the first word. Today, we will use the vowel letter A with the consonant N to form the first blend that we will use to form the first word. As you can see, we use the vowel A and we put the consonant N at the end of the letter A to form the blend AN. In the blend AN, when the blend is read, each letter makes two separate sounds. Let us sound out the blend together. Say the A sound, ah. Say the N sound, n. Now say the A sound and the N sound together smoothly. And great job. Now there are some special things to know about the blend AN. The blend AN that we formed here is a standalone word. What is a standalone word? A standalone word is a word that has its own meaning in and of itself. An is a word that, when used, describes one person, place, or thing in general. For example, Pam picked an apple. In this situation, we know that Pam picked an apple. What kind of apple did she pick? We don't know. So here we have the word an working as a word that describes one apple of which the kind of apple is unknown. Also, the rule for using an is that it must be used before a word that begins with a vowel, which is A-E-I-O-U, or in front of a word that has a vowel sound. We will talk more about this rule in future lessons. Not all blends form standalone words like the blend AN does. However, for this lesson, we will only form new words from the standalone word an. Another thing that is special about the standalone word an is that the word an can be used as a blend that can be put at the end of other consonant lettering to form new words that have their own new meaning. Finally, another special thing about forming new words with the standalone word an is that each word that ends with the word an will have the same ending sound. When words have the same ending sound, they are called rhyming words. When we read rhyming words, reading words from memory becomes easier, making us a faster and more confident reader. On the board, we have the word and written many times. Here, the word and will be used as a blend to help us form new words. We will put a consonant at the beginning of each blend to form new words that have their own new meaning. The letters that we blend with the ending blend an to form new words will keep their own sounds when we sound out the letters together that form the new words. Now, let us make many new words that rhyme with the letter blend that makes the standalone word "and." When we put the letter B at the beginning of the word "and," we form the new word "ban." Let us sound out the word together. Say the B sound, B. Now say the B sound with the word "and" together smoothly, ban. When we put the letter C at the beginning of the word "and," we form the new word "can." Let us sound out the word together. Say the C sound, K. Now say the C sound with the word "and" together smoothly, can. When we put the letter D at the beginning of the word "and," we form the new word "dan." Let us sound out the word together. Say the D sound, D. Now say the D sound with the word "and" together smoothly, dan. When we put the letter F at the beginning of the word "and," we form the new word fan. Let us sound out the word together. Say the F sound. Now say the F sound with the word "and" together smoothly, fan. When we put the letter J at the beginning of the word "and," we form the new word Jan. Let us sound out the word together. Say the J sound, J. Now say the J sound with the word "and" together smoothly, Jan. When we put the letter M at the beginning of the word "and," we form the new word man. Let us sound out the word together. Say the M sound, Now say the M sound with the word "and" together smoothly, man. When we put the letter P at the beginning of the word "and," we form the new word pan. Let us sound out the word together. Say the P sound. Now say the P sound with the word "and" together smoothly, pan. When we put the letter R at the beginning of the word "and," we form the new word ran. Let us sound out the word together. Say the R sound, R. Now say the R sound with the word "and" together smoothly, ran. When we put the letter T at the beginning of the word "and," we form the new word tan. Let us sound out the word together. Say the T sound, T. Now say the T sound with the word "and" together smoothly, tan. When we put the letter V at the beginning of the word "and," we form the new word van. Let us sound out the word together. Say the V sound, V. Now say the V sound with the word "and" together smoothly, van. When we put the letter N at the end of the word "and," we form the new word and. Let us sound out the word together. Say the sound of the word and. And. Noun say the N sound. Noun say the word and with the N sound together smoothly. And. Very good. Notice that the two N's next to each other form one sound. And. Now we're going to do something special with the word and. The word and is the special name of a person. As you learned in the earlier lesson, when we write the special name of a person, there is a rule that we must follow. The rule is when writing the special name of a person, place, or thing, the special name must begin with a capital letter. Therefore, we cannot use the lowercase letter a at the beginning of the special name. We must use a capital letter A. So we will change the lowercase letter a to its capital letter A. Great job. Now we will review the words that we have formed in this lesson. And while we do the review, I want you to pay attention to the words that have capital letters at the beginning of those words. Within the list of words that we have formed today, there are 3 special names. I will point out the special names at the end of the review. Now, remember that we are to sound out the letters in each word with a smooth flow when we read the word. Ready? Repeat after me. An, ban, can, dan, fan, jan, man, pan, ran, tan, van, and. Great job. Now, within the list of words that we formed, I will point out the special names of people. The special names of people are Dan, Jan, and Ann. We will learn more about when to use capital letters in the future lessons within Homeschool for American Adults Learn to Write section. Great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of Lesson 8. Now, I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day and review the words that we formed. And remember that we are to sound out the letters in each word with a smooth flow when we read the word. If you find it difficult to read any of the words that we learned, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can read each word smoothly using the sounds of the letters together. When you can read each word with ease, you are ready to move to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we are at the end of this session. But before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning to read today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the notification button so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.